Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I will tell you how to draw a holly mistletoe for Christmas easily. So let's get started. First, let's draw 3 circles. Another circle. And another circle over here. Now let's draw the leaves. Slight curves. Here, here, and here. Now for the last one. Now let's draw the slight curves inside the leaves. Put it here. Here I am using red and green colors to color this. So let's get started. Let's make 3 circles and leave that space and let's color this. Let's color the leaves. Okay buddies, that is all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.